Hi there! Today, we'll be unboxing this amazing robot vacuum from Eufy, the Eufy E25 HydroJet. And before we get started, a huge thank you to At Home with Lucas for sending me this vacuum. I really appreciate it, man. Alright, let's get into it. First impressions. It comes in a very big box. You can already tell this isn't just a basic robot vacuum. Taking a closer look at the paperwork, there is a cardboard quick start guide with clear unboxing and setup illustrations. It makes everything very beginner friendly. There's also a QR code that you can scan to download the companion app so you can connect everything and get started. And that's it for the unboxing portion. Now, here it is, all set up. This right here is a dust bag. It actually comes with one pre-installed, which is really convenient. Here is the clean water tank for the mopping function, and around the back you'll find the dirty water tank, which collects all the used water after cleaning. Overall, this vacuum is very powerful and cleans really well. It's also surprisingly quiet, but still gets the job done efficiently. Honestly, that's a win-win. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again to Lucas for sending over this vacuum. I'll see you in the next one.